All right, next one.
Come here.
So $5. Okay, so this one's $5.01. 01. Okay. This one has a 50% ROI. Pretty good, really good. Sales per month is this. And then I look at competition. This one has a lot of people on his listing, right?
Yeah.
So 50 sales a month. I mean, the ROI is pretty high. The
Yeah.
problem is
You can actually sell.
there's too many people in here, so you gotta wait, right? And all of them are pretty priced fairly too, right? So 17.
You got a handful that look like they could go out of stock soon if they're not staying ahead of it though, maybe.
Yeah.
Fuck out.
Yeah, this one is gonna sell slow, but I think people are staying on this because of the ROI. So this is a good example of a high ROI product, but sells low. So some people kind of mix and match it, right? Some people order fast moving products, like low ROI, and then they also buy like slow moving products with high ROI. So again, it's gonna be up to you
What would
guys.
you do in this situation? Would you skip it?
Me?
Try to do it?
Me? I like speed, so yeah, that's just me though. Yeah. So this one, this one's kind of too slow for me. So you guys agree?
Yeah.
I'm like you. I like speed. I mean, the quicker the money that comes in, the better.
Yeah.
People are patient, so I'm not.
I'm not that patient either.
This one is a no. Right. All right, next one. $8. So $8. Yeah. Yeah, $8. So $8. Oh. Okay. So this one has 37% ROI. Sales per month is 36. So it's on the low side. Competition. I mean, it's not too bad, right? So
Yeah,
these
really,
first
it's
three
only
people.
3 people if you really think of it.
Yeah, so 3 other competitors. 36 sales a month. I mean, it's gonna be moving slow, but it's gonna move, right?
Mm.
So this one is decent. I mean, it's not the quickest moving product, but ROI is 37%. So
Can I ask you about, so that's all 36 times that month, but are you looking at, is that an estimate on like a trend, or is that just that last month only?
Right.
How does it calculate that?
I think the last 30 days. So like the most recent. Yeah.
But like, could it have sold a ton the month before, or do you not, is it typically not a
Right.
crazy fluctuation?
I mean, here on Keepa, you would kind of see. So the green one is the sales rank, right?
Okay.
It goes up and down.
Got it. Where would you see how many it sold per month when you're doing that?
Yeah. So for that, for this question, I use like a free software if I really want to go like dig
Okay.
deeper.
Got it.
It's called Amazon Sales Estimator. So I would plug in like different like data points here. So for example, here, right? It's at 208,000 down here, right?
Hmm.
I can plug in like exact numbers on exact dates if you really want to do that.
It's not that big of a deal, like, that.
Yeah, like you can estimate like per day, per month, per 7 days or whatever. Yeah. So yeah, let's see. Amazon Sales Estimator. I'll do an example, but I don't want to be too confusing on this Zoom. It's not loading anyway, so Amazon Sales Estimator.
I was just thinking in terms of like, sometimes you can find like a little honey hole where like this month it's showing kind of like low sales, but you notice that it's trending up or
Right.
it has a lot more sales. You know what I mean?
Yeah, this is good. This is gonna be like an extra step if you guys want to go deeper on it. So I would go in Keepa. And I would look at the fluctuation, right? So let's say today the sales rank is here at 84,000, right? Let's just say you want to, I don't know, pick like best case scenario. So here, right? So 65,000. So I would go to Amazon Sales Estimator. Plug in 65,000 and then plug in the category. So category is, what's the category?
Like health and beauty, maybe.
The beauty and personal care. I would plug in beauty and personal care. So at 65,000 is sales rank, right? This product is selling at 180 times a month.
So that was like the peak of it where it peaked out, maybe.
Right.
Based on what
So this happened, if you look at Keepa, now I'm going deep, so
yeah.
I think here somewhere. Yeah. So April, what? Or March 27. So yeah. Does that make sense though?
Mhm.
Yeah, no,